Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a very interesting debate that's been going on, and that a decision has been given. I think it's going to be interesting to follow in the tech world. So Epic Games, which has Fortnite, is in a legal battle with Google. And what happened is that Epic Games wanted Fortnite to be downloaded or sideloaded outside of the store so as to not have to pay 30% fees on the purchase. And of course, that went into a battle with Google. They went to court, and a jury this week has told the judge that Google is actually doing unfair practices and that it's a monopoly and that it actually dictates its own rules and that it's unfair, which gives a win to Epic Games. Now, of course, Google told, according to The Verge, Google told that they will appeal on this decision. This is a decision that is very important to follow because whatever happens in the end will change the ecosystem of app stores, the percentage of money that these companies give. And some of the examples that were given is that Google apparently actually, to get some of the apps and games in the store, made specific deals with some other developers to have more money in exchange for them to have their apps in the Google Play Store. So Epic Games says this just shows how unfair everything is. They're treating everyone different and they're doing what they want because they're a monopoly. This also is important to check out because it will impact another big player in the apps, and it's Apple with its iPhones and iPads and its App Store, because it is also pretty much a monopoly. And to make it different is that Google lets you sideload apps. On the Apple devices, iPhones and iPads, you cannot do that. You have to abide by the App Store, and the only way to get apps is through the App Store. So the decision that's going to be taken here is going to impact everybody, including Apple with its App Store. And this is very important because it's at the end maybe going to impact us too in prices of apps, in the prices of, and on how we actually get apps and even get updates for the apps that you can pay for sometimes in or outside the App Store. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.